Hi everybody, Scott Card here, and today I have for you a quick little video where I'm going to use AutoCAD as a proof for the Pythagorean Theorem. And so the first thing here is that we have a squared being in red, b squared being the yellow, and c squared being the green for the cyan triangle. And we should all be familiar with this formula. And so let's take a look at how we're going to do this. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is we're going to start by creating a copy of our two squares, and I'm going to create a line that is the hypotenuse and a construction line that runs across the center of the yellow triangle. And I'll copy over my line that I'm going to use to slice that yellow rectangle, or square in this case, into two equal pieces. We're now going to take this first piece and we're going to use the align function to move it over to the green square. Okay, so let's take this and select it. We'll grab the first corner, grab the second corner, and we can skip the third. And you'll notice that it leaves a little piece hanging out, but that's okay. That's okay. Now we'll do the same with the second wedge that we have. And again, we'll pick the first source point, first destination, second source, second destination, and skip the third. And it, of course, has the same leftover piece. So once again, we're going to use the slice command, and we're going to use the edge of the green square. And here we'll just move it out of the way for now. Temporarily, we'll come back to it. You can keep track of these. And same for the other side. Here we go. Perfect. And now we're going to take the red square and we're going to align it to the first void. So once again, align, first point, second point, and we have a big piece hanging out, and that's okay. We'll once again take it and slice it. Let's align this piece. Okay, move it out of the way so we can see it. Grab our first source point. First destination, second source, second destination, and it fits in there just fine. And we can see that there are indeed two triangular pieces missing, and they happen to be the exact size as our two leftover pieces from the yellow. So we'll just pop them in place. We don't even need to use the align function. We can simply move them. And there you go. As you can see, all the pieces fit and they take up exactly the same geometry, just as Pythagorean would have done if he had CAD several hundred years ago. Okay, so fantastic way to prove indeed that AutoCAD is very useful, and that we can make all sorts of projects that are fun and useful. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'd love to hear from you down below. Comment away. Your constructive criticism is always appreciated. Do subscribe and hit the notify bell as well if you'd like to be made aware when I create new videos. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. All right. Bye now.